Welcome guys, welcome to Bradley My Cooking. And for you today guys, I'm gonna make a nice amazing lamb chops recipe guys. Very simple and easy for you guys. I know you guys will like it, I know you guys can try it. I like it about being creative, coming up with ideas and let food come to life. And guys, let's talking. I'm gonna show you all my lovely ingredients I'm working. Right here guys, you can see I got some lamb chops. You can call it lamb shoulder also. Right here I got some salt, I got dry parsley, I got some fresh garlic, I got carrots, I got onions, thyme and scallion, sweet potato, nicely diced, oil, this side some browning, cloves, rosemary, crushed pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, complete seasoning, no not leaving a complete seasoning, onion powder and some soya sauce. That's all you need guys, it's lovely, amazing recipe. So guys, my meat is already washed and clean, so I'm going to season my meat now guys and let's hop in. First guys, what I like to do when I'm seasoning my meat, is the oil, not too much. The reason I use oil guys, oil, when I'm seasoning my meat, the seasoning gets stuck all over my meat guys. First, I'm going to start off with a little cloves. Cloves very good for you guys, very nice, with nice flavor. Not too much. I'm just cooking 4 pieces of lamb chops. You can call it lamb shoulder if you like. Right here I got some rosemary guys. Who doesn't like to put rosemary on their lamb? I don't think nobody will do that. Everybody like rosemary on their lamb. If you don't have it, you do without no problem. Guys, right here some crushed pepper. If you like, you can go with some regular fresh pepper if you like. Well, I'm just going to crushed pepper. Use what you have guys, being creative, just use what you have. Right here guys, watch I'm using fresh garlic. I'm still going to use some garlic powder. Guys, just minimize how much seasoning you put on your meat. It's up to you guys to see how you can take. Right here, now some black pepper. Not too much. Put it all in. And right here guys, I got some complete seasoning. Like I said before guys, I love complete seasoning. Because guess what? They season up everything inside. Everything in the seasoning, guys. Everything. So I'm going to put a little bit more on the complete seasoning. Then I got some onion powder. Although I have fresh onions, I'm still going to use some onion powder. Just like that. Then, guys, my salt. I'm not going to use all this salt, guys, too much. There's a small amount. Not too much. Yes, guys. Then, watch, guys, I'm using browning. I'm going to also use soya sauce. That's the reason why I'm not going to use too much browning. There's a little bit of browning with the soya sauce. Just like that. Then, I have browning. As I said before, guys, not too much browning. Like that. Just a little bit, yeah, just to give it a little dark color. You want to overpower it. Then guys, hands are clean and keep my hands all dirty. If you don't like, you can put on gloves, you can use a tongue, no problem. Right? I love using my meat, my hands, my hands to season meat. That way I feel that meat is getting all that seasoning that it requires guys. Got it? Rub it all in guys, rub it all in. It's a very nice lamb shoulder guys. Look at it guys. Yes. So guys, once your meat is seasoned guys, you put it aside at least for maybe overnight or a couple of hours. It depends how you want meat. Because guys, right now I'm hungry and I cannot wait. I'm just going to dive into it and start cooking. Okay guys, first thing guys want to do now, as you can see, my pot is right here. Then, what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add some oil. Just like that. Then you come to make the oil hot guys. This is what I'm going to do first. I'm going to add my garlic inside. Just like this. So like that guys. Then, piece of thyme. Just like that. What I want to do guys, I want to get a nice flavor of the thyme and the garlic. Like that, guys. So round. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put my lamb inside now like this. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna turn them. Nice little color, guys. Look at that. Here. Look at that, guys. Nice. So what I'll do now, guys, I'll add some water. That. Then add my onions, my carrots, my potato, like that. My scallions, guys, the butter, like that, and a little tomato sauce. We just stir. A very nice, amazing guys recipe, guys. I know you guys will try it, you guys will love it. Look at this now, guys. Nice, so it's some dry parsley. Yes, guys, there you have it. Nice, amazing lamb chop, lamb shoulder, whatever you call it, guys. Brother's Kitchen, got the gravy. Nice and thick. Yeah, man. Everything is up and running, right? Everything nice and tender, guys. Look at that. Wow. Now, guys, time to plate. You know, Brother's Kitchen, guys, good food always coming your way. And, guys, I'm serving it with alongside some corn white rice. That. Yes, guys, look at that. Nice and amazing, guys. Nice and amazing. Then, guys, alongside with some nice gravy, white, guys. Nice gravy like this. Look at that, guys. Lovely and nice. Brother's Kitchen, guys. Good food always coming your way. There you have it, guys. Nice. Guys, thanks for watching. I am so hungry. I'm gonna eat right now. Guys, thanks for watching. With a like, share, subscribe, and thumbs up. Lamb chop, lamb shoulder, whatever I want to name. We're cooking this right now.